toddlers, welcome to Junior's Art. And you know that we are uploading all the summer related contents in this week, and today I'm gonna draw a basket full of summer fruits. But at the beginning I wanna say that if you are a new viewer of my channel, then don't forget to subscribe cause we upload new videos every day. Okay, here you can see that I have drawn the basket and just started drawing the fruits. Can you guess the fruit's name? I know you can, and this is banana. And this is an apple. Pretty good. And this is an orange. Let's draw some grapes. Grapes are my favorite fruit, so I will draw huge. Not enough. I think I should draw more. Okay, that's enough. And this is another apple. I think these fruits are enough for today. Okay. I don't want to draw more fruits cause this basket is almost full, so let's do the outline. My outlining is done and the basket is looking amazing. Let's start coloring. I will start with the grapes. And I'm using purple color for the grapes. Wow, the grapes are looking so tasty. Let's color the apple. I mean the first apple. The first apple is red. Wow, this apple is also looking tasty. Okay, let's color another apple with green. This one is green. Some people don't like red apples, so I'm drawing a green apple for them. Now, the orange. Orange is my favorite. Wow! Just the bananas left. I'm using yellow for the bananas. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering after watching a basket full of fruits. Okay, now let's color the basket. I'm using a pale orange color for the basket. This is how you can draw a basket full of summer fruits. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.